My name is Brent Hagel. I am a voiceover actor here in Los Angeles, California. I was not always a voiceover actor. I was once somebody who wanted to be a voiceover actor. I'm going to explain a little bit about who I am and some of my past credits so you can be like, okay, why is this guy credible? Establish credibility. So my credits are on-air promo for NBC, on-air promo for CBS, on-air promo for Discovery Channel, on-air promo for TLC, commercial work for Lexus, 3M, Spotify, Joe Rogan Podcast, NHL Network, the NCAA, ICC Soccer League, HBO Boxing, and just a lot of other random credits that I can't remember at this time. But those are the major ones. So I got into this in high school. Before that. Yes, in high school. I was an extra on set here in Los Angeles for Disney shows and just anytime they needed background work. So I got into it that way. Just walked around set, got to be on set, experience what that's like. One day on a show called Lizzie McGuire, they put this exact mic over us and they said, hey, we're going to be gathered around, kids. We're going to be recording some ADR. They hung the boom mic over us and they had us just make background chatter and banter and things like that. And I asked the other kids who had been around longer than I had what we were doing. And they said, this is ADR. They're basically recording our sounds to use in the show later. I said, this is really neat. So this is my segue into audio. So then in high school, I became the sound guy. I hauled the speakers out to the center. I played music. I DJ'd. I did live announcing. Ladies and gentlemen, that sort of thing. I edited sound for cheerleaders, for their dance routines, for all the dance concerts, for homecoming, football games, all that sort of thing. I made mixes and sound designs using Sony SoundForge. And then in community college, I volunteered at local radio stations for free. All this is free. I'm making zero money. I'm just dedicating my time and learning. And then I volunteered ultimately at 3 or 4 different radio stations over time interning and learned how to cut spots to time, learned how to read commercials to time, learned how to do sound design and editing for commercial purposes. Now, currently, I own a company called Trailer Voice Artists, and we are a talent development and talent management company for voice actors. I work with some of the top voice actors in the country. I have curated some people that are doing extremely well out in the market. So the advice I give you is because I've been there. I took 7 years of workshops here in Los Angeles before I got my first promo gig. It takes time. It takes resources. I was an executive chef making money to pay for these classes. You have to pay your dues. It just takes time. You're not going to go shoot straight to the top. So I just want to use this channel to explain my reasoning of why you should do what you should do and the steps you should take to succeed.